What's up guys, this is a video on how to take a screenshot from the GoPro Hero 5 and 6 Black. So what I mean by a screenshot is when you've recorded a video and you want to take a picture from it. So that's what I'm going to show you now. So this is the GoPro Hero 5 Black and I'll show you with this. So I'm just going to turn it on. So so the first thing I'll do is I'll do some recording. So basically we've got something to take the screenshot from. So now we'll go to the media. And we'll play this. So that's the video. So what we'll do now, if you want to take a screenshot, you'll press this picture icon here on the top. So now we've got the picture icon, we've got a plus on this side and there is a minus on that side, but there isn't because the video is not long enough. But as soon as we move it across like so, you'll get the minus sign there at the bottom. So you can slide the counter from the bottom or you can use the plus and minus, as you can see. So that's all you do. If you want to go back, you press the minus. I can show you that. So you can keep your finger on it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to find a shot we can save and I'll show you how to store it as a picture. So say we want to save this picture. What we'll do now is we'll go to the tick sign and now it's saved it. And that's how simple it is to take a screenshot. After that you just press the X and now you're out of it. Press the media and as you can see there's the picture. So that's how simple it is guys to take a screenshot from the GoPro Hero 5 and 6 Black. So I hope this helps somebody out who's trying to take a screenshot who didn't know about it and they do now. So guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more videos. Bye.